About 100 African elephants are killed every day. There are only about 400,000 remaining in the wild. This is not sustainable. Elephants are hunted for their tusks, for their meat, and this is absolutely biodegradation at the highest levels. We must conserve elephants and farm alternatives to threaten and endangered wildlife by trying to improve on food security and supporting agricultural development across Africa and the globe. And also, we have to stem on the bushmeat trade, the sale and trafficking of wildlife, in order to arrive at a situation where biodiversity can thrive alongside humans, and the earth and the planet can be a more healthy and living space for all.